All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I want to break down how I called the low live this morning on the S&P 500. I want to tell you exactly how I did it and how you can do it as well. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a 3-minute chart of the S&P 500 continuous futures contract. So what does that tell me? It tells me where all the volume's at, right? The current contract being traded at the moment is the ESM 2024 or ESM 24, depending on whichever platform you're trading on. But let me show you how it's done, okay? So let's talk first about kind of the price action we were contending with, okay? Notice we have this red top here. Get a lot of selling volume coming in. That's right at just right before the opening bell, right at the opening bell, 9:30, okay? Bell comes in, we get this really, really wicked sell-off. Now, I normally tell traders, hey, sit back for 15 minutes, let the emotion kind of shake its way out of the market, and then we'll reassess the situation. That's exactly what we did. So we sat back and waited, and guys, notice this green bottom, okay? We at Hawkeye have coined this term, red top, green bottom. These are the most highly probable areas that price is going to turn around and go the other direction. Well, notice our red top right here, super ultra high selling volume, caused what? The market to tank, right? And then we had this ultra super high buying volume after the first 15 minutes of the market had shaken out. In fact, it was at 10:09 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And from there, guys, you can see we've made basically a full recovery back to that red top we talked about at the 9:30 open. How valuable would it be to you to understand where to no longer short the market, right? You're looking for what? Buying opportunities. That's it. You're essentially looking for buying opportunities if you can identify these low risk, high probability green bottoms and red tops. Listen, I don't normally trade through the opening bell for a few minutes. That volatility, for a few reasons, that volatility can get really nasty, and I don't really prefer to have exposure to that. There's really no need at this point in my career, right? So I just wait and let it shake out. And guys, right here, live, I'm like, guys, that's it. The low's in for now. Doesn't mean we can't violate it, but the low is in for now. We're going to want to start looking for opportunities to buy both the NASDAQ and the S&P. And let me show you that the NASDAQ did exactly the same thing. Boom, green bottom, 10:09 a.m., right? Red top right here at 9:30. When these two markets, the NASDAQ and the S&P, which are so closely correlated, are working in harmony with one another, guys, you can really layer in to confidence of whichever market you desire to trade. Okay? I tell the more conservative trader to stay with the S&P. I tell the more aggressive trader, you probably are looking for the NASDAQ, But ultimately, at the end of the day, it comes down to your comfort level. No matter what, we called the low live because we were able to identify the correlation between volume and price action. Something that you must be able to do, and until you're able to do it, I hate to say this, you're not going to be a consistently profitable trader. I'm sorry, I'm just telling you the truth. So, if you want access to these proprietary Hawkeye tools that will help you identify these significant highs and lows as they're transpiring in the market live, there's a link below this video. I encourage you to click on it. There's also a phone number there. Feel free to give us a call with any questions you have, and my email is there as well to answer any concerns that you may have or any questions you may have. But guys, at the end of the day, the heart and soul of every trader must be focused around volume and price action. Us here at Hawkeye, we have produced volume-based indicators to help you better understand what the market's doing, when, where, and why. God bless. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.